Hi, I'm Clement and welcome back to another South Tech Reviews video. This morning I had a super cool drop-off from Samsung and I just wanted to do an unboxing quickly. Let's not waste any more time. Let's just get right into the package and see what's inside. And got a little note, I'll put that to the side. So what we got here is the brand new Samsung A32 for 2021, and let's just crack open and see what we got. Just to break the seal. Let's take the scissors in. So this is the packaging for the Samsung A32, also known as model SM-A325F. This is the awesome black version and it is the 128GB variant. Just to look at the packaging, it is the quick start guide, warranty card to move on to the device. And as you can see, it's brand new Samsung A32 Infinity U display. We have a quad camera setup. We've got the in-display fingerprint reader. So I'll just put that to the sides along. Adaptive fast charge charger, which is a 15-watt charger. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Eject the pin. A32 is a 5G 6.5-inch multi-camera with a 5000 mAh battery. One up top, you'll find the 8-megapixel ultra wide. The middle one is a 48-megapixel main. Then you have a 2-megapixel depth camera. Not only does the device have a 6.5-inch large clear display, Samsung has a pretty cool trading program. So if you check out the Samsung store, which I'll link down below, you'll find that there is ample trading options for you. So just for the length of the video, I'm just going to put, and this is the Samsung A32. I hope you guys are looking after each other. You guys are taking care, keeping on your mask, washing your hands. We will chat again in the next one. Till we meet again, have a super one. Goodbye.